Let's have a look at price action. It's the fourth pillar of the five-pillar approach. Well, now what I've done here is I've drawn out a support and resistance level that's been tested quite a few times in late 2014, and it's been tested early 2015 as resistance. So what we want to do is we want to find these levels, and we want to be trading off them, and we want to be finding price action for entry points. So what we have here is, if we have a look right here, an indecision candle at a level of significance. So it's come up here and it's tested it as resistance, and it's bounced straight off it. And indecision means that it's pretty much closed at its open. The bulls or the bears couldn't break out here, and it's just closed like that. Now it's broken down to the south, and then it's come back and retested this level, so we can see that resistance is very strong. It's what they like to call a psychological level. It just won't break through this level, at this point in time. So if we look here, we've got a bit of congestion here, and the bulls have tried to break out, but they couldn't, and it's just bounced back off that level. Then the bears try to break out, and then we have something here called a bearish rejection candle. So the bulls had one last try at it, couldn't get through, and it's closed as a bearish rejection candle. And it's just broken to the south there. So what we want to do is, say if we wanted to trade this, we would have used something called the breakout entry. So when you break the low of the previous candle, and that's what it's done. And then we would put the stop loss above recent price action, and up here, so we'd probably have about a 90 to 95 pip stop loss, and we'd be very confident in it because it's come up here, it's tested it, it's to the double top. And the New Zealand dollar long-term fundamentals are very bearish, so would have been quite a good trade to be in here. Could break down to the south. We don't know what's going to happen, but if you don't like to add too many tools to your method, support and resistance and price action are great tools to trade with, especially at these levels. Now, I encourage you to go on the internet and read up about pin bars and indecision candles, inside days, and get familiar with them. And once you're familiar, you'll become very confident with them.